You know what? I really like it. I like how COVID was. Less people.
Hello.
Hello. What do you think? Pretty cool?
Well, too much walking.
Okay, so you gotta eat first.
One of Austin's friends they met has one of Izzy's puppies.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, that makes my heart happy. I remember selling it. We sold at least one divorce certificate.
Is this a new friend that you didn't meet yet, or?
He's been hanging out with them for probably 4 or 5 months.
Okay. Did they go to Wayne High School?
I guess Syracuse.
I was gonna say. How'd they meet? Work?
I don't know. Probably work.
ODSingles.com. See, there's that car again.
Sounds about right.
What did he say?
He said he hates white people so much.
What did he say?
He said he hates white people.
More yell days.
Well, remember.
Is that what you said? I'm kind of brownish when I get tan.
Remember, these are the people of tolerance and patience and love and unity. So is the Nazi Party. Oh wow, that is a really nice view over there, Shorty. You see that?
Husky.
Is that, honey, that's Oakland over there, right?
What's her name?
They have a boat called the Kitty Cat.
Dad, the swastika did used to mean peace though.
Yeah, it was a Buddhist symbol.
Yeah. Look what happened to that. Not good things.
So you guys have been over here before at the Aquarium of the Bay.
Can we get pretzel?
Sure. These are churros. We'll go get something to eat first though.
We're gonna go get Trisha's donuts, and then we're gonna go get some.
Yeah, come on, stick with us, kiddo.
It's just right over. It's right here. We're like super close.
All right, you guys see the Aquarium of the Bay right here? You were there when you were a little bitty. You got to pet a stingray here. Ava, you probably have seen these on Facebook from when I've posted them. Huh. We are getting food. I didn't know they had a Hard Rock Cafe here.
I got one of my t-shirts from the Hard Rock Cafe.
Really? I thought they all folded up.
Well, this is back in 1991.
No, I'm talking about now. I thought they all
I know,
folded
I
up.
was surprised to see that. What's the puppy's name? Question mark. Is it Bentley? Question mark.
Here, let me get your picture. Look at me. Shorty, take your mask off. Pull it down. Thank you. Smile. No, pull it down. Smile. Smile or I'm taking your phone. I'm going to take your phone. Smile.
I am.
Okay, Ava, pull your mask down and smile. Brooke, pull your mask down and smile. Ava, Shorty, get back here. I'm taking phones.
What are you doing?
Ava, get next to Shorty. Or Shorty, get next to Ava. Put your arms around each other. Look at me and smile. Put your mask down and smile.
He told us to.
Put your mask down and smile or hand over your phones. Okay, no smiles. One,
I'm literally
two.
smiling.
Okay, there we go.
I have braces and they were in the way.
Definitely a much better time than the last time I was here.
Okay, we're gonna go to the right.
Next time we come here, can we use car?
Maybe. Next time we come here, can we use a car?
Actually,
Maybe.
No,
Where are we going?
to Trisha's Donuts.
Where is it?
I thought it was right here, but it's in the main entrance, which I think is right over here.
All right, well, we need to go over here.
Oh, sorry.
I really thought all the Hard Rock cafes folded up. Went into Silver Lakes no more.
Yeah, that's been on for a while, huh?
Yeah. I used to like getting salads here at, for dinner. Ooh, bet you'd love that one. You like clam chowder, or do you not like it anymore?
Okay, turn to the right.
We would do that at home.
We'll look at it. Do you guys want to ride bikes?
Bubba gum shrimp. You went to Bubba Gump in Minnesota, didn't you?
Yeah, we did, and I went in Porter
Where?
It's around the corner. All those jelly bellies.
Huh?
There's a whole bunch of jelly bellies in that dryer store. Right here.
Mine has to do like a community.
I'm sorry. You need some water? So what size bucket did you get?
Right here. 36. Oh, is it 36 on it?
Yeah, I'll get 36.
Oh, thank you.
Enjoy, thank you.
I am curious about these. What about you? Sure. Oh, you need some food. Hey, let's get a look at those donuts here.
Oh,
All right, so these are, they're what? Who makes these? Trish?
Trisha's mini donuts.
All right.
Oh, I didn't bring my sanitizer. Do you have your spray?
Yeah.
Spray.
Part of traveling with COVID.
All right, you go with spray.
All right, let's try this.
My disappointment is immeasurable. My day is ruined.
I think Brock speaks for me also.
I think they're pretty good.
I wasn't impressed, were you?
No.
Let's go find a spot to sit.
I think a second one will try it out.
I'm
It's
not
cold.
gonna lie.
These suck. How much were they?
I like them.
17.
17 bucks for 24? Maybe 17 bucks? Skip
You
it.
could have gone to Dunkin' Donuts and got full-size donuts for $17 instead of these. You could have gone Krispy Kreme.
Can we find somewhere to sit?
Can we go find some place to eat? That's Alcatraz, the prison.